Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into the T3 SinglePass Curl Professional Curling Iron. This tool promises to help you create tousled, natural-looking waves with a smooth, shiny finish thanks to its ceramic long barrel and adjustable heat settings. It's designed for all hair types and it aims to deliver healthy, long-lasting curls and waves with ease. Right off the bat, the T3 SinglePass Curl stands out with its ceramic barrel. Ceramic is known for its gentle heat distribution, which reduces hot spots that can cause damage, making it a favorite for maintaining hair health during styling. The long barrel is ideal for creating those loose, beachy waves that are so on trend right now. Plus, the adjustable heat settings give you control, so you can tailor the temperature to your hair's needs, whether you have fine, delicate strands or thicker, more resistant hair. When I first picked this up, I appreciated how ergonomic the hand shape felt. It made styling comfortable, especially for longer sessions. The curling iron heats up quickly and maintains a steady temperature, which really helps when you want consistent results. On my medium thickness hair, I found the curls lasted well throughout the day without feeling stiff or crunchy, which is a huge plus. Using it was straightforward. The barrel's ceramic surface glided smoothly through my hair, minimizing snagging or pulling. I tried it both on freshly washed hair and on second-day hair, and in both cases, it delivered soft, shiny waves. The adjustable heat settings allowed me to find the sweet spot, high enough to hold the curl, but not so hot that it caused dryness or frizz. That said, the long barrel might not be ideal if you're looking for tight curls or have very short hair, since it's designed more for loose waves and length. Also, while the curling iron feels well built, the cord could be a bit longer for those who prefer more flexibility around the mirror. Now, let's talk about what I really liked. The results. The curls looked effortless and natural, which is exactly what you want when you're aiming for that "I just rolled out of bed looking fabulous" vibe. The ceramic technology really helped keep my hair shiny, and I didn't notice any excessive heat damage or dryness, even after multiple uses in a week. On the downside, the price point is on the higher end for curling irons. It's definitely an investment, so if you're someone who styles daily or really values hair health, it could be worth it. But if you're just looking for occasional curls, there are more budget-friendly options out there that do a decent job, though they might lack the advanced ceramic tech or the precise heat controls of the T3. In comparison to other curling irons I've tried, the T3 SinglePass Curl offers a balance of professional-grade features and ease of use that's hard to beat. The ceramic barrel outperforms basic metal barrels in protecting hair, and the adjustable heat settings give it an edge over one-temperature tools. The build quality feels solid, with a sturdy handle and a smooth ceramic barrel that resists wear. It heats quickly and evenly, which helps the curls last longer and look more polished. I haven't had to deal with customer service for this one, but T3 as a brand is known for reliable support and solid warranties, which adds peace of mind. If you want similar results, but are watching your budget, brands like Conair or Remington offer curling irons with ceramic barrels and adjustable heat, though they might not deliver quite the same silky finish or durability. For those prioritizing hair health and longevity of the tool, the T3 is a step above. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. To sum up, the T3 SinglePass Curl Professional Curling Iron is a fantastic tool for anyone wanting natural, long-lasting waves without sacrificing hair health. It excels in gentle heat delivery, ease of use, and creating soft, shiny curls. Its higher price tag means it's best suited for those who curl frequently and want to invest in quality. If you love styling your hair and value damage prevention, this curling iron definitely deserves a spot in your beauty toolkit. Thanks for watching. If you've tried the T3 SinglePass Curl or have any questions, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. The purchase link is in the description box if you want to check it out for yourself. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.